Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So what I'm going to do is unboxing a ROG Z Flow. I'm going to do something different because this is not brand new. This is a refurbished one from eBay. Cost me £770. Got delivered today, this morning, 11 o'clock. So I quickly took out in a box from this box. This is a cables, power charger. I probably won't use it because I'm going to use my Anchor because this charges with USB Type-C. So I've been meaning to get this because I travel a lot and I do kind of video logs. I've been using a Razer Blade Stealth 13-inch for some time, and I just wanted to get this, £750. I won the auction. I think I was the only auction that I won, only bidder. And yeah, I mean, on average, I've been checking at the prices. It's averaging around £850 to £1,000, so I got a pretty good deal, I think. So yeah, I'm going to just pause this video and start unboxing and see, because I've not actually seen it yet. The description did say it was good with some wear and tear. So let's check it out together, how good the quality is. Okay then, so let's start unboxing. So this one's an i9. It's a 12th generation. Is a 1 terabyte storage, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a 3050 Ti RTX NVIDIA. This is kind of like are you familiar with Surface Pro? Those kind of like tablet slash laptops. I've been meaning to get one of these, but alright then, let's see how it is. It's actually the first time. So inside here's nothing. Well, I suppose what's in here is probably the paperwork. Nope, nothing. Because the paperwork, yeah, paperwork is inside the other box. I'll just put this away. Let's have a quick look. So it comes with a keyboard, unlike the Surface. I remember the Surface 1, 2, and 3 came with the type cover. And then I think 4 onwards, you had to buy it, and they're not cheap, but they are pretty expensive. So just grateful. I mean, you know, you can see the wear and tear. Okay, it's pretty heavy. It's about, on the description, about 1.8 kilograms. So give or take. It's still probably lighter than my the one I was currently using. Okay, so let's have a quick look. It seems okay. I don't see any major damages. So you got USB-C, Type-C. I think this is a Thunderbolt 3, USB-C 3, and this is the port. If you put the, what is it? You can actually attach an eGPU. They actually sell it separately, a 3080. I'm not sure if a 49 or 4080 can do it, because they actually released the one following up to with a 4050 and a 4060, and even a 4070 with the kind of funky metal fashion thing. Okay, headphone jack, Type A, and whatever that is. I actually don't know. Power button, cool. And you got that little thing here, pretty good. I think the new one, they made this more flat, more kind of like, instead of like protruding, instead of coming out like that. So when you kind of put it facing this way, it doesn't kind of, you know, wobble. It's not too bad. But now I've got the type cover, or the keyboard. I think it does have a kickstand, just like a Surface. This is the little flap here, I think. Yep, can you see that? Let's have a look under. I actually like the design. I know maybe too gamey. I think this is quite just right to me. I quite like it. So that is that. The kickstand. Let's see how far it goes. Yeah, so very similar to the Surface Pro. Goes pretty down. You got to give Microsoft some credit there, where they actually did inspire a lot of companies to make similar things like this. Okay, the keyboard. Let's see. I'm gonna just detach it. If it, yep, pretty simple. Okay, so you can see it's decent size. This is probably the same size as a Surface type cover. You've got your kind of gaming centric keyboards here. You actually got the same type of pogo pins and connection like the new Surface type covers. I think the Surface type cover 8 onwards, because I remember, no, tell a lie, yeah, similar to both of them, the type cover 7 and type cover 8 onwards. So that's how it connects. It does the job. Yeah, all in all, yeah, a little bit dusty, but I don't see any major problems with it. Looks pretty good. The device, this is a, I think it's a 13.4 inch screen, 16 by 10. Correct me if I'm wrong. The bezels are pretty thin. I actually do. There's a camera up there. It's actually pretty thin. The screen, of course, a bit dusty. Not dusty, a bit dusty and a bit smudgy. Nothing you can't clean. I do like this edge up top there. Republic of Gaming, the ASUS. I've always been a big fan of ASUS stuff. This is my first ASUS in a long time because I've been using razor blades a lot recently. I think looking by the thickness, this is probably about over a centimeter, probably about 13, 14 millimeters, 15 millimeters, give or take. Here's the connection at the bottom. So battery life apparently is about between 5 to 6 hours average use. Playing games will probably be about 2 hours if you're lucky. But if I can conserve it, you can probably get easy 6 hours. I mean, that's okay, because like I said, I'm not going to use this for, because when I go traveling, I use my my many Android tablets for movies anyway. This is just only for when I'm doing editing and so on. So this is all pretty good. I think it's nicely. This, yeah, you can still see it's definitely refurbished, but it's actually really well done for £700. Oh, sorry, £750. You have the box, everything inside. Oh, look at that. Brilliant. It's got a really pretty strong magnet. That is pretty good. Just to show you guys and girls what I've been using, give me a sec. So I've been using my razor blade Stealth 13 to travel. I had this for a couple of years now. Nearly 3 years old. So this is for me traveling, because I also have a 15-inch when I use at home. Big fan of razor stuff. This is about 2 kilograms, 2.2 kilograms, 13-inch or 13.3. This is an i7 10th generation and a 1650 RTX. It's been doing me wonders. I love this device, but you know, for just traveling, quick editing, is actually still really good. But I'm starting to see it's starting to get, you know what I mean. So yeah, the only downside with razor stuff is, look for that smudges, man. It's, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Terrible. So now this is my new traveling companion when I do my video logs and everything like that. All in all, I do like it. It's pretty good. And these, let me try and zoom out a bit. Sorry, my chair is so squeaky. I really do need to get one, but I'm just too lazy, because I remember this is my second chair in the past 2 years, and I just can't be bothered in putting it together. I'm too lazy. Maybe I just pay someone to do it for me. But you know what? If you're watching this, do recommend me a good gaming chair that's comfortable, not too expensive. £200 max, please. So that's that. Pretty good. I do like this. Yeah. I'm going to take this to my next holiday and see how it does. But I do like the back though. Probably in the next couple of years I'll probably get the 13th generation or something. Anyway, thank you everyone. Yeah, it's just an unboxing of a refurbished one from eBay. Until next time, thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. Thank you in advance. And until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are in the world. Please do stay safe. Goodbye now.